This video was made for the elementary and junior high school students of米原 City by the ALTs, MGT, and MET. Please enjoy learning English with us. Let's begin.
Today we are going to practice what questions. Please count all the questions that start with what. Can you find them all? Good luck.
Today is your last day. What does this mean? I better call the guru.
Caleb.
Hey, what are you doing?
I am meditating. What's wrong?
I'm sorry. I have a question. I got a message saying, today is your last day. What does it mean?
Oh, that is a reminder for your English homework. You have to interview people and ask questions. It is due tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No way! I completely forgot. Okay, I'll start right away. Thank you.
No problem. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can I ask you some questions? Really? Great! What country are you from?
I'm from New Zealand. I'm a Kiwi, so fancy.
I'm from the USA. USA. USA.
I'm from the moon!
Okay. What animals can we see in your country?
New Zealand is famous for kiwis.
You can see bald eagles and big old grizzly bears and mean cougars.
Rabbits!
What time do you wake up?
Am I even awake now?
I usually get up at 8 or 9. I'm not really a morning person.
I get up at 9 p.m. The rabbits get hungry at night.
What do you have for breakfast?
I'm a Kiwi, so I eat kiwi fruits for breakfast.
I love me some eggs, bacon, pancakes, and a big old cup of coffee. Yeah!
I eat moon cheese.
What is your favorite sport?
I like hockey and rugby, and I also like soccer. Did I also say rugby already?
The greatest sport ever made. Football. Yeah!
I love dodgeball. Wanna play?
What do you want to do in Japan?
I want to eat a lot of Japanese food. I like Japanese food.
I want to eat some omi beef. It can't be better than an American steak. Yeah!
I want to buy some delicious carrots for all my rabbit friends.
Okay. Thanks. What a weirdo.
Caleb?
I have completed my English project, Mr. Smith.
Thank you, but this is due next week.
What? Really? Oh no. Japanese class. What did I do?
Wait. Did I say English homework or Japanese homework was due tomorrow? Oh well.